Hey friends, if you wish to add or change time server in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for control panel in the Windows search bar and open the control panel window. And then change this to by category large icons. Go to date and time. Okay. Then click on internet time. Select change settings. Now you have something called as server. So first of all, this should be checked, synchronize with an internet time server. Otherwise syncing will not work. And then you can change it from here. You can change it to time.windows.com, which is the best option, or time.nist.gov, which is also a very good option. Click on update now, click on OK, click on OK, and done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.